In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet and still see participants. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're ready to present your PowerPoint on Google Meet, but you're worried you won't be able to see the reaction and engagement of your participants? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to guide you through an easy process to ensure you can do both seamlessly. First things first, navigate to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. Look for the option that says New Meeting and give it a click. This step is where your virtual meeting room begins to come to life. Next, you'll want to kick things off right away. To do this, simply click on Start an Instant Meeting. This option is pretty straightforward and gets you into a meeting room without the need to schedule anything in advance. Once your meeting is up and running and you're ready to present, you'll notice 3 dots somewhere on your meeting screen. Click on those. This action will open up a menu that's packed with various features to enhance your meeting experience. From the menu that just appeared, your next step is to click on Change Layout. This is where Google Meet allows you to customize how you view the participants in your meeting, which is crucial for what we're aiming to achieve today. And here comes the key part, click on Sidebar. This layout will configure your screen in such a way that your presentation will take the central stage and the participants will be aligned on the side. This enables you to keep an eye on their reactions and maintain that vital interactive element of your presentation. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your next PowerPoint presentation on Google Meet is engaging, effective, and inclusive, allowing you to see your participants' reactions while you present. Now go ahead and give it a try for your next online meeting or seminar. Happy presenting.